Hey everyone, meet our locals, Ruby and Reggie, Crimson Roselas. Always come as a couple. Come on. Let's give them some space here. A bit shy. Come on. Reggie's up the front here. Straight into it. Okay, come on. What a pair, eh? They chirp as they eat. Look at that, look at the colours. Amazing. A whole conversation there. You can hear punky pigeons trying to get in the action. Absolutely beautiful. Welcome everyone. We're in the Yarra Valley in Melbourne. Back end of winter. A bit cool today. And these guys often come in the cooler months. Crunch every single seed. Keep an eye on us. Keep chirping. They're really adorable. They've been coming for years. And they're twinning at the moment. Oh, listen to the miners. Oh, beautiful sounds. You can hear ravens and cockatoos in the background. They're all flying around there at the moment. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Picking out all the good seeds first. Start on the smaller seeds and work their way up to the large ones. And when they want more seed, they stop and look at me. Or fly over to the door. Very clever. Lots of blue under the wings. There you go, very happy with themselves. Keeping an eye on us. What an awesome pair. And they've got kids as well from last year. And they've been changing colour from green to red. Let's have a look at Reggie here. Reggie's got a few markings on his belly as well. Of course, when you film, a truck goes past. Okay. One